Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we become gardeners. Here are some finished plants. My Chernobyl diorama needed more vegetation, so I tried to grow some. Let's see how it went. First, I tried to make a young pine tree. The base material was stabilised asparagus fern. Uncle Night Shift used it on his awesome yak tiger. He used it as camouflage branches. I wondered if it could also work as a tree. I started by cutting small depressions into the trunk. The goal was to avoid bulky branch connections. Then I glued the branches one by one. For this I used PVA glue. Branches must be glued from all sides. Otherwise, the tree will look like a broom. I needed to hide the connections. For this I used Tamiya basic putty. The putty was diluted with extra thin cement. Be careful here. Apply the putty only on the trunk and branch joints. This not only hides the connections, it also adds a texture to the trunk. For the base color I used Wooden Deck 10. Then I applied Africa Corpse Wash. This shade looked best for the tree. Next came the needles. For this I used green oil paint. Oil paint is useful because it allows corrections. If paint hits the branch, it can be removed with white spirit. The result is such tiny Chernobyl broom. Next I tried to make some ground plants. First I cut thin strips of paper, then I painted them green on both sides. This is just base color. Later we will paint more. From the paper I cut small leaves. I used the lid of a can as a helper. The goal was to create leaf-like shapes. Here they are. Not perfect, but usable. To build the plants, patience is needed. Leaves were glued together one by one in a star shape, again using PVA glue. For the smaller center leaves, I folded the paper in half. This created two leaves from one piece. Their place was in middle of plants. Again I did with them star shape. Each leaf was bent with tweezers in different directions. This adds realism. Painting came again. I used darker green oil paint. I applied it on whole plant. This also hid the white paper edges. With white spirit I removed some paint. This created natural patterns on the leaves. To simulate damage, I added lighter green spots, mostly on edges and tips. Finally, I added brown paint to dry leaves ends. Tall plants need even more patience. For the stem I used a thin root. Leaves came from model scene. They are one by one, so we need glue them one by one. The PVA glue holds them surprisingly well. Make sure leaves are placed on all sides. Here I painted just the leaves. Started by adding little darker green oil paint. Then I tried create some texture. For that I used light green oil paint. I am not sure with results here. Tell me please, what do you think? The last plant was a flower. Leaves were again glued in a star shape. Then I added the stalk. For it I used very small root. On top I made a small ball from PVA glue. Then I glued micro leaves from green stuff board. This helped create the flower head. Leaves were bent as well. I repeated painting process like on ground plants. After that I painted flower head by red paint. And here are the results. What do you think? Was my gardening successful? Thanks for watching and I wish you all the best.